Traders, in today's video, I want to show you how you can make $500 every single day. As you can see, I took a sell trade on GBP JPY and I kept on adding more trades because I knew where price was going to go. Let me show you. Look at this. I took my first entry from up here. I added more entry when price pulled back. I even added more entry when price pulled back. I want price to tap into my zone there, and I'm going to be closing off with more than $500. So in today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you the strategy that I used to make $500 every single day from my $1,000 investment, guys. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So traders, the strategy that we're going to look at today is trendline breaks. Trend lines are one of the best strategies to use if you're trading trend markets. So I'm going to give an example before I show you the trade that I took. How do I use my trend line? So you can see I have a trend line right here. You can see. So anytime when a trend line is happening, it's going to reach a time and break, But how do you know if in price is going? It's going to break anytime when price is at a turning point. So the turning point we had here is this one right here. You can see this one right here. You can see price turns anytime when it touches this zone. Same thing here. Now, when you look up here, we have almost a similar thing. Look at this. Almost a similar thing. See that? Almost a turning point. You see? Then the new trend line that we had is this one right here. Guys, this is a 1 hour time frame. You can see that. So I'm going to delete this one right here. So anytime when you're trading the forex market and you want to make $500, guys, use trend lines. They're very easy. You just have to connect certain points. You connect this point to this point to this point. So this is an impulsive move, retracement, impulsive move, retracement. You can see as we're waiting for our trend line break, you can see right there. But you need to know one key thing. Anytime when price is breaking the trend line, it has to retest. So if it gives you small candles that have broken, it means a retest may come in. But if it's a big candle that has broken, it means probably sometimes we don't see a retest exactly at this point right here. Probably the price would come down and then probably retest at a zone like here. Let's say price would retest like it would do this. It would break there, then probably retest and then start coming down. That is what price would do. But now since price broke out with small candles, this is what happened. So we had price break with small candles, go back there, come back there, then go back one more time and then drop. You can see, traders, that is what we had. So I'm grateful that I was able to catch this move right here at the trend line break, guys. There is no physics here. I've explained to you guys. We look out for these turning points. A turning point tells you that price is about to reverse. I don't take my trade up here. I want more confirmation. So this is just one of the signs that price is going to reverse if it reaches a turning point. I've showed you the one down here. The next thing is I'm going to draw a trend line. So to give my price trade. Remember, a trend line, we use it to show the trend of the market. So as we are waiting for price to trend break. So the time when price breaks like this, it's going to give us small candles or big candles that have broken. If a candle that breaks here is small like this, you're expecting a retest. So I expected my retest right here, but not just a retest. When you look closely, traders, we had fair value gap. Fair value gap is insufficient price action, you can see right there. So meaning price had to fill up that fair value gap, this one right here, before continuing to go back to the downside. But we did only have the fair value gap. So you can see, traders, we also had a bearish flag. You see? So most of you guys know a bearish flag, you need to see price give us this pour. This is a pour, and then it has to give us the flag, just like that. You see? So now here we have price has broken the trend line. It's trying to tell us a new trend is opening. So we also have a bearish flag that tells us price is continuing to go back to the downside. That's why you see after the flag happened, price continued to go back to the downside. Like even in the flag itself, you can see, guys, we had this M pattern. You know what an M pattern means? You see this? We had an M pattern. You see this, traders? We had an M pattern. You can see. So that is another point to tell us price is going to reverse. So for me, I added confirmation on my 15 minute time frame to take this trade, and my confirmation is always to have a candlestick pattern. So guys, for my confirmation on my 15 minute time frame, I I had a bearish Haramic candlestick pattern. It's a reversal candle to the downside. For those that don't know how it looks like, let me show it to you in the candlestick Bible. Traders, you can see it's here, Haramic pattern. This is a bearish inside bar, or you can call it that. We need to have a big mother bar, and then you have to have a small red candle. It's the same thing we have here. You see these two candles? You see, traders? So we have a confirmation right there to take our trade. But not only that, when we use our Fibonacci retracement, so since this is an impulsive move, you're going to see that even we have more confirmation. So let's try to go back to the 1 hour time frame. This is our 1 hour time frame, guys. So traders, you can see if we use our Fibonacci retracement, remember when you're using a Fibonacci retracement, we apply it from the swing high like this to the swing low, just like this, when price is in a downtrend. Since this is price reversing, you can see, guys, exactly at our turning point, which is 0.618, that is the point where price is almost reverses from. You can see, guys, we have a lot of confluences to take this trade, guys. You can see we had so many confluences, so I was able to take my trade exactly at this point right here. Let me zoom into the 15-minute time frame so that I can show you guys. So I was able to catch my trade from exactly right here after the Haramic inside bar candle, like that, putting my stop loss up here. My stop loss was only 19 pips, as you can see right there. I put it, we see this dotted line, that is the previous Friday close. This is where Friday candle closed, the daily candle, that is the close. So that's why I put my stop loss, and then my entry was just there, and then I put my target exactly down here, as you can see, guys. I have multiple take profits, as you can see. Currently price has moved down more than, let's see, more than 50, almost 60 pips. You see, traders, this was a very good trade. You can see, guys, you can apply this same strategy. If you're a beginner trader, you can literally just draw a trend line. Let me repeat, guys, look at this. Let me remove everything. Look at this. You can even literally see price here is moving in an upward way. You can see how price is ranging in an upward way. You can literally just draw a trend line like this. As you're waiting for price to break, you can see it's almost the same thing. Wait for price to break. So since this is a bearish flag, you see? Since this is a bearish flag, you can still take a trade off here when price breaks. You see? But for me, I wanted the break and retest, guys. And I've showed you why I waited for the retest. And currently, I'm running profits, guys. I can literally just use this same concept to make money. Before even I close this video, guys, let me show you one more time. This is, when I tell you the power of trend lines, guys, believe me when I tell you, there is too much power in trend lines. Guys, look at this. This is my AUD USD. I've been trading trend lines. Look at this. Price goes up. It's bouncing in between. I'm waiting for price to break my trend line. As long as I see prices ranging while going up. Same thing here. You see this small trend line? Guys, let me show you the trend lines. Look at this trend line. You see? Money. Look at this. Look at these trend lines, guys. I want you to wake up. This, you can do this if you're a beginner trader, an intermediate trader. Look at these trend line breaks. You see this trend line break? This was a major one. These were minor ones. That's why you see price didn't like really act out. But this one, I was able to catch it. You see this one right here. But now I have some major ones. Look at these trend lines. Look at this one. Look at how price breaks down here. Take profit. Look at these traders. One up here. You see? This one right here. Price breaks. Take profit. One here. As long as you can draw a trend line, guys. This is the most underrated strategy that I've seen people just take it for granted. You can literally make money off trend lines and be able to make money every single day, as long as you can have your proper confirmation, guys. Backtest trend lines as much as you can, guys. This is probably the easiest strategy that you can use to make $500 every single day from the forex market, as long as you're applying proper risk management, as long as you're patient enough with your trades, guys. Apply proper risk management and you'll be able to make whatever amount of money that you want from the forex market, guys. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next, guys. I'm going to be bringing you more videos about trend lines. Have a good one. God bless you.